It's a diagram based question. So I want students to draw the diagram. Let's see that. Through diagram, you are supposed to analyze. That angular width, will it change? First of all, what do you mean by angular width? What does it mean? See, the rays emitted by the edge. So you look at the dotted line. No? So they'll undergo refraction. And what will happen to the person? What happen? The length of the fish, what happen, will increase. So definitely the angular width has to change. Able to understand? So we were talking about the apparent height. No, I just brought like this. How the fish will it appear long? Yes, it will appear longer. What do you mean by longer? This length. I think all of you length of the fish. I'm not talking apparent depth. We are talking about this one. So fish will appear longer. Definitely will feel happy. No, all non-vegetarian who are eating fish, they'll feel happy. Okay, I'm going to get the big fish. So therefore, the angle subtended will change. Let me get into the diagram. The width of the fish, let it be D. You think on it, meanwhile I'll construct the diagram. Same level. This is actually the length of the fish. So we'll write this as AB, will write it. So that will be easy for us. I can't draw fish here. Time being, let me take this one. So this will be D. So and there's an I. No, see it. So these are the rays emitted by it. So there's the initial without water. Let me show it clearly. AB is a fissure. So without water, definitely what happens, the rays will go directly and they'll subtend an angle, delta theta. Now, same thing, same width. I have to take it. No. The rays emitted, what will happen then? They'll undergo refraction. There's a basic idea. They'll undergo refraction and they'll enter into the eye. Slightly bend, we have to show it. I'll come to this later on. Let me. I had to show the rays will bend, no? So this is with water. Huh? Now the angle subtended this will be different. So this will be delta t dash, delta theta dash. That is what he's asking. Okay, let's go for vertical. So there's a vertical. If I can draw the diagram perfectly, I think problem will be very easy. That's what I'm trying. Yeah. Okay, no. So this is the additional, shall we call A dash, B dash? Hope all of you are able to understand what I wanted to, this would be the angle of incidence, theta 1. This is theta 2. So let me take this is X, this is Y. And till here is what the distance, this was D, no? Write out all possible equations if you want to write it. So below is everything liquid is there. So what is the refractive index of liquid? That is mu. This is here. Shall we write first equation x plus y should be d by 2? I'll break it up. First equation x plus y is d by 2. What is x? Anybody? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, now we have to really take help of maths. Huh? Our physics is over. The delta theta dash has to be determined. Theta 2, shall we write it as delta theta dash by 2? One more very important equation. This angle should be equal to theta 2, no? So we'll make it here. It'll be easier. Apply and we'll apply Snell's law. What is the Snell's law says? Mu theta 1 equal to theta 2. Okay, there's one more. These equations. What is x plus y? X plus y is d by 2. What is x and y you can replace? So here tan theta 1, shall we write this is y by, what is this 2 meter, no? This is 2 meter. This is 2 meter. Or if you want, you write h. So that will be easy for us. So first looking at this triangle, look at here triangle. Tan theta 1. Shall I write y by h? I'll write all the triangles here. Tan theta 1 equal to y by h. So y is equal to h tan theta, theta very small, tan theta 1. Similarly, tan theta 2, I can write it as x by h, or x equal to h tan theta 2 or h theta 2. So x is how much? H theta 2, y is h theta 1, and this is d by 2. So theta 2 plus theta 1, and theta 2 further what you can write? Mu theta 1, substituting that. H into, this will be mu theta 1 plus theta 1 equal to d by 2. So therefore, so we'll get all together d by 2 is equal to h theta 1 1 plus mu. Okay, further what is theta 1? You can write it as, I think theta 2 I'll replace. Theta 2 I'll replace. Theta 2 is needed, no? Theta 1 will become theta 2 by mu. I'll erase this. Let's come this one. Theta 2, this theta 1 will be theta 2 by mu equal to d by 2. So therefore, theta 2 is equal to mu plus 1 by mu d by 2h. Theta 2, what you can write it as delta theta dash by 2. Delta theta dash is equal to mu d. So we have to bring that in terms of delta theta. So how to bring the quantity, So tan delta theta 2 from looking at this triangle should be equal to d by 2 by h plus h. D by 4h. Shall we take, I'm taking this bigger triangle. This one. D by 2 h plus h it will be. Okay, very small. This angle will be very small. So tan should be equal to d by 4h or d by 2h. Okay, this is equation 1. To equate these two, then we'll get delta t dash in terms of the known quantities. D, what you can write, delta t, this one, so 192. Mu will be there, so d by h mu by 2 1 plus mu. Check it, answer. Two mu by 1 plus mu. 8 by 7.
Yes, yeah, sir.
Okay, what is the thing? So the length seen by the, so what is the conclusion? I'll just make conclusion. What is the length of the fish as seen by the eye will be a dash b dash, not ab. It will appear a little bit longer. So I may ask you, what is the length of that one? So you can calculate like this. Without water, the length is AB. With water, the length will be A dash B dash. A dash B dash will be greater than AB. So do remember, any conceptual question may ask. So I think once you know delta T dash, you can calculate the length. Am I right? So length of the fish will be A dash B dash with water. I will scroll down.